In today's video, we're checking out cool gadgets worth buying that will make your home, kitchen cleaning, and outdoor tasks super easy. Watch the video till the end to see all these gadgets. You can click the links in the description to grab them for yourself. So, let's dive into these gadgets. Stick vacuum cleaner makes cleaning easy, fast, and allergy-free. Perfect for homes with pets. It allows you to clean the floor easily with light and stick. Use nozzles that allow you to clean corners. With a similar multiple tool, you won't miss out on cleaning anywhere. Can release all the gad bags with one touch. This gadget will make your daily cleaning tasks easier. A portable tire inflator to fulfill your outdoor tasks. It can not only inflate your car tires but also your bicycle and football. Whether you are in the car, on a bicycle, or on the playground, it is your best companion everywhere. If you're traveling and your tablet's battery runs out, use it as a power bank. And use it as a flashlight at night. Make him your best companion in every situation. Use a mini garlic chopper to quickly chop vegetables in your kitchen. To slice vegetables, just press the button and it will quickly chop your vegetables, in which garlic, ginger, and chili are chopped, and it easily makes minced meat. Pour water into it and shake it with it to clean it. Use a smart electric spin scrubber to clean your kitchen and home. This spin scrubber cleans your stove stains quickly. You can efficiently finish your housework in a relaxed posture with the Levitating electric cleaning brush. This saves you valuable time dealing with stains on different surfaces. Buy these gadgets from Amazon using the description links. Use a handheld inkjet printer to do all kinds of printing on every surface. Print on any surface such as carton boxes, plastic, wood, logos, and QR codes everywhere. This ensures smoother, more stable, and accurate printing. Use it at home or in factories to label boxes, kids' items, and tools, keeping everything organized and easy to find. This gadget makes all your tasks easier. Wear this smart ring to check your health anytime, anywhere. This smart ring tracks walking, running, cycling, golfing, and heart rate with reports and controls available on your mobile. It is completely waterproof, so you can monitor your health at all times. Enjoy scrolling videos on mobile apps with this. Buy this gadget cheaply for accurate health tracking. Mini foldable keyboard to use anywhere. This improves your workflow and keeps your hands free. You can easily keep your device upright with the magnetic bracket. And easily folds and fits in your pocket. Foldable mini washing machine for wash less clothes and easy storage. Perfect for children's clothes, socks, and small items, cleaning them efficiently. You can wash and dry your clothes at the same time. Cleans and dries clothes with a powerful motor. It's also an ideal gift choice for you. Use screen magnifier to enlarge the small screen of your mobile. It works like a mobile projector and doubles the screen size, so you can enjoy movies and videos, especially at night. Suitable for indoor, camping, travel, leisure, anywhere, and more. Microfiber flat mop for fast cleaning of all types of floors. The 360-degree rotating mop head easily cleans under sofas, beds, and corners. Push the self-wringing handle forward to remove excess water. You can also clean walls and ceilings easily by attaching a cloth to the dry mop. It is suitable for home and office cleaning. The cleaning mop is lightweight, easy to carry, and space-saving. It also makes cleaning glass and other surfaces easier. Use this gadget to remove earwax safely with a built-in camera. It can be customized to fit your ear perfectly. Check your earwax with your mobile camera and use this tool to remove it safely. With its other tools, you can safely check your nose and mouth using your mobile. Use this must-have gadget and say goodbye to tedious cleaning. Use a spice grinder to automatically grind spices and add them to your dishes. Add spices to its small grinder jars and enjoy fresh flavor on your dishes. Easy Pod Change lets you swap and grind spices with one hand. It is ideal for busy home cooks. Robot pool cleaner to clean your home swimming pool. Set up the gadget from your mobile and put it in your pool for cleaning. It starts moving as soon as it enters the pool, collecting leaves and cleaning the entire surface. After cleaning the pool floor, it climbs the stairs and walls. Once done, remove it to clean out the dirt and leaves. It saves you time because it cleans the entire pool itself. Works for small and large pools, keeping them clean and ready anytime. A levitating light bulb that draws your attention. You will enjoy the wow factor it brings to the guest. A stunning decorative lamp for your home, kids' room, office, or dorm, creating an amazing atmosphere. Use a food chopper to chop garlic and onions in seconds. Place the food underneath and press down. It chops in seconds. It does cutting, chopping, and grinding faster than a knife. The chopper dicer is ideal for onions, garlic, nuts, red peppers, vegetables, everything. Use the food chopper on your cutting board to prep food faster. A necessary kitchen gadget for quick snacks and seasoning food. Charge your mobile phone in minutes with this power bank. It charges your phone, tablet, and hands-free devices in minutes. Its charging cable is strong, flexible, and twist-resistant. Its surface is smooth to the touch. You can stick it firmly on your mobile phone. You can easily put it in your pocket or bag and carry it with you wherever you go. Freshen your room with a humidifier for a rainy day feel. This humidifier has a beautiful, unique umbrella design with realistic, natural raindrop effects. Add a whimsical touch to your bedroom with this humidifier. It features 6 colorful LED lights to suit any mood. Just add water to it, a drop of essential oils, and it's ready. Control it easily with the included remote. The perfect thoughtful gift for a dry winter. This compact sticker printer is perfect for school, home, or the office. Print in black and white and decorate your books with these stickers. Students can also create study note stickers with this mini printer. Along with this, you can organize things at home by labeling them. A great sticker maker choice as a gift for students, teachers, and family. Fun gadget to kill boredom at home. Cute Bluetooth speaker with DIY pixel art. Create pixel art in taps or explore 1,000 plus free designs. A perfect kawaii accessory for your gaming desk or cozy room. It provides the best display if you want to play games. Stream music via Bluetooth with surprisingly great audio. A unique D2 Pro for a one-of-a-kind you. Use a portable electric chainsaw to cut thick tree wood. It efficiently cuts through both common trees and large logs. It is designed with a lightweight and portable slim body. Its compact, lightweight design is easy to handle, making it ideal for home and work. Enjoy a perfectly balanced and stable cut with no shaking. Transform your room with a magical Northern Lights projection. Enjoy the warm light of this room and the mystery for the best Northern Lights experience. You can customize the environment with 5 dimming brightness levels for personalized visuals, and can be controlled remotely, making it the best room decoration. Now the video ends with this gadget. Don't forget to like video and subscribe channel to stay updated.